Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Google search going to Yahoo. If your Google searches are being redirected to Yahoo on your Windows PC, it's likely due to unwanted software changing your search settings. Here's how you can fix the issue. First, check and reset your default search engine. Open Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner. Then choose Settings. Scroll down to the Search Engine section. Make sure Google is selected as a default on the search engine used in the address bar. Click Manage Search Engines. Remove Yahoo or any suspicious search engines by clicking the three dots next to them and selecting Delete. On Microsoft Edge, open Edge and just click the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Settings. Click Privacy, Search, and Services on the left-hand menu. Scroll down to Services and choose Address Bar and Search. Set Google as your default search engine and remove Yahoo if it appears in the list. Another method, reset browser settings to default. If the persist consists, resetting your browser will restore its settings to default and remove any unwanted changes. On Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right corner, go to the settings, scroll to the bottom and click Advanced. Under Reset Settings, click Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm by clicking Reset Settings. On Microsoft, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Settings, choose Reset Settings, click Restore Settings to their default values, and confirm by hitting Reset. By following these steps, you should be able to stop Google searches from redirecting to Yahoo and regain control of your PC's default search engine. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.